Is investing in gold the right move for $1 million portfolios in 2025? With inflation still lingering and markets showing uncertainty, many retirees wonder if investing in gold IRA for retirement with $1 million is the smart move in 2025. Gold remains a timeless asset, a hedge against chaos and currency decline, but balance is key. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. Let's explore the essentials. 1. Economic climate in 2025. Inflation has eased but remains higher than central bank targets. Interest rates are stable yet elevated, and global markets face trade tensions and tech disruptions, prompting retirees to seek safer assets like gold. 2. Why gold attracts retirees. Gold's independence from governments and markets makes it a reliable store of value during uncertainty. 3. Hedge against inflation. When prices rise, gold often retains or grows its value, helping preserve purchasing power. 4. Portfolio diversification. Gold's low correlation with stocks and bonds adds balance, cushioning portfolios from market swings. 5. Tangible and globally recognized. Physical gold offers intrinsic worth that's valued everywhere, unlike digital or paper assets. 6. Risks of gold. Gold produces no income, can be volatile, and may carry storage or insurance costs. Overexposure may also limit portfolio growth. 7. Ideal allocation for $1 million portfolios. Experts suggest 5% to 15% in gold, 5%, $50,000, modest inflation hedge. 10%, $100,000, balanced protection. 15%, $150,000, strong safety net, but less growth potential. 8. Best ways to invest in gold. Options include physical bullion, gold ETFs, mining stocks, and gold ETFs, which offer tax advantages and secure diversification. 9. The 2025 gold outlook. Gold's future depends on inflation, interest rates, and global tensions. Moderate allocations remain prudent for retirees. In 2025, gold is still a wise hedge, not a full solution. For retirees managing $1 million, a 5 to 15% gold allocation within a diversified portfolio offers protection, stability, and peace of mind for long-term retirement security. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.